Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Subscribe to my channel. Good morning, how did you sleep? Good morning, how did you sleep? Hello, how's your day going? Hello, how's your day going? I need assistance with my homework. I need assistance with my homework. What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? Do you want to grab lunch together? Do you want to grab lunch together? Let's meet at the coffee shop at 3 p.m. Let's meet at the coffee shop at 3 p.m. I really appreciate what you did. I really appreciate what you did. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for being there for me. I am feeling a bit tired today. I am feeling a bit tired today. I am so excited for the weekend. I am so excited for the weekend. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I like to go for a walk in the evening. I like to go for a walk in the evening. What did you have for breakfast? What did you have for breakfast? I need to get some groceries after work. I need to get some groceries after work. Let's catch up soon. Let's catch up soon. I really enjoyed that movie. I really enjoyed that movie. Let's take a picture together. Let's take a picture together. It's getting late, I should head home. It's getting late, I should head home. Where did you find that book? Where did you find that book?